Thank you for purchasing the Deluxe Height Adjustable Trolley. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Deluxe Height Adjustable Trolley should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery straight to your doorstep is available from CareCo. Carefully cut the tape with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Once open, lift out and set aside all the various components. You are now ready to begin assembling your item. Packaged with your trolley is an instruction manual. Please keep hold of this as it contains useful information regarding the assembly, maintenance and best use of your product. Packaged in a small cardboard box is a pair of front caster wheels. In another box, you'll find a set of bolts with star-shaped knobs, as well as the rear caster wheels fitted with handlebars and brakes. With the trolley frame placed upside down on the floor, you can attach the front wheels. Remove the pin on the leg, then using the holes on the side for reference, find your desired trolley height. With the holes on the frame and the leg lined up, push the pin back in to secure the component. Repeat this process on both legs. Now it's time to attach the rear wheels. Tilt the trolley so that it's resting on its front legs. First, attach the handlebars, again using the holes on the side for reference when choosing the handlebar height. Slot the handlebars into place, then firmly fix them to the trolley frame using the bolts and the star-shaped knobs. Attach the rear wheels using the push pins, making sure the legs are all at equal height. Your Deluxe Height Adjustable Trolley is now fully assembled. Please keep all packaging safe and secure in the dry, just in case you need to return the item. If you have any questions about the Deluxe Height Adjustable Trolley or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our stores or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.